As summer was coming to an end and fall was slowly approaching, Connor and I decided to take a quick trip to Sun Peaks, which is located northeast of Kamloops. It's a small resort that has summer activities like mountain biking and hiking and skiing and snowboarding during the winter. Even though Sun Peaks is smaller than the well-known Whistler village, its quaint and European style is perfect for a mountain resort. While there, we decided to go for a hike to Todd Lake, which was a pretty interesting experience to say the least. We saw cows grazing on the mountain and got caught in a flinter snowfall. Have any of you experienced flinter? If you have, I'd love to hear your stories in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, until next time.
Yesterday we went on Todd Lake Adventure, which included going Crystal Bowl Loop. We went reverse. Crystal Bowl Loop, top of the world, West Ridge, West Bowl, then went to Gills. So we started from this point where the gondola dropped us off, and we looped through Crystal Bowl, went down West Bowl, came around, followed the blue, white bowl, and all the way to West Ridge, West Bowl, and to Todd Lake.
Beautiful view from up here. An unexpected kind of cute treat is there's cows down there, and I think they graze them up here and then they bring them down after the morning or after mid-afternoon. It was so unexpected to see cows in a trail on a mountain, but I guess this is a huge landmass that they graze in. It makes a lot of sense. Beautiful views. So nice up here. So now there's snow on the trail, and snow, sun, blue skies behind, and snow in front. So really interesting September hike. This is definitely a transition of seasons, but really beautiful. The view overall is worth it. And it's changing, the light's changing by the minute, so can't wait to get to the top. Yay! Doing the hike, going up to Todd Lake and going through a bunch of different mini hikes that are attached to it, little different trails, and it's going to include starting at Crystal Bowl Loop, and then this is what looks like just at the very beginning, and then heading up to the next one, which I'll just look at my map. What's the next one? Top of the world. Very exciting. Have fresh snowfall.
Looks so beautiful. Partly cloudy, sunny day. Perfect for hiking. Set up here at Todd Lake, and there's nobody here but us, and we're having a pretty great time because okay, I'm just gonna start again. So we finally made it up to Todd Lake, and the path we took was a little bit simple. We just kind of backtracked from Todd's adventure, what we found from the guest services map. Really straightforward trail. Not difficult, although its labeled as intermediate. It is quite simple to follow. Steep incline in the beginning, and then it kind of levels off, and you're more kind of walking along the mountain versus just, you know, steep switchbacks up and down. But yeah, I'm gonna just set up, take some shots here, enjoy these beautiful surroundings and the fresh dusting of snow. It's gonna be very, very nice. So I just did a quick time lapse, about 10 seconds. I wanted to get the clouds moving through the valleys and the mountains, and it was too good to pass up. I did a quick time lapse, I'll show it. And it's an in-camera time lapse, so it's not like I've edited it post or anything like that. I just decided to just do it in the camera, nothing too fussy, especially because the hike is fairly enjoyable and it's easy to get around. And what else? I didn't want to miss anything else. I just wanted to get a quick time lapse and move on, see what else we can find. With the weather changing so fast, it's kind of nice to be like, change really fast, take a picture, keep moving on. So last day here at Sun Peaks, we've been everywhere. We've walked a lot of the places. I'd say for the most part, the potential during springtime and summer is really great, and I see there's lots of things to do, activities even off season, like mountain biking, hiking, anything that involves outdoor nature. As for the winter time, I think this place is going to be beautiful, very packed, and lots of the places here are accessible by walking and easily. Very small version of Whistler, not as grand, not as scale, not as huge, so everything's more accessible and walking wise. But I'd say the mountains have so many runs, and seeing it from the top of the mountain yesterday hiking, there's a lot of places that the runs are all over the place. You probably have to commute in some way, either walking a lot or getting a shuttle of some sort, because the mountain's huge. There's lots and lots of different runs around, so the winter time's going to be exciting. Can't wait. And overall the trip has been very, very fun and very relaxing as well. And including cow herding, which was pretty unexpected, and based on the grazing rights of these cows and the farmers, it's a pretty interesting dynamic for sure. So yeah, the trip was great and can't wait to come back.